The Gill Smith project started with a full-size Mylar lofting of all of the frame shapes. So we were able to screw clamps down to the loft floor and then laminate the frames right on the floor to the lines. Every surface, both sides, is rolled out with West System epoxy. Once they're glued up, we wrap the whole frame in plastic so that the glue doesn't squeeze out onto the lofting, and then bend it into the steel angles that are set up on the lofting to define the shape. On some of the really stiff bends, we have to work the frame in slowly, especially on a short, tightly bent frame, rotating clamps, working back and forth from one end to the next, and then sort of gradually bending the frame into shape. Boat builders can never have enough clamps. We have hundreds and hundreds of clamps of all different sizes, and we always wish we had more. There was a company in New York called Westler that used to make these beautiful cast iron clamps, and we have tons of those. They stopped making them in the 90s, and so now we're always perusing Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and trying to find more Westler clamps.